So, good morning. Well, what I thought I'd do is a little early morning walk here in beautiful Julian, California. And I'm currently here at the Julian Lodge, right up here on the second deck. And the sun is just coming over the horizon. And what we're going to do is take a little walk around Main Street, see what it's like this time of morning. So join me on this little walk and let's go check it out. So here is a outside view of my lodging. And one thing I've mentioned in my previous videos, it's very easy to get around here. This is on C and Main Street, and I did the gold mine tour yesterday. That was a lot of fun. It's actually right up that road, about half mile. But let's go check out how quiet it is around here at this time of day. A little bit cool too. I had to wear my hat. Very peaceful place. If you haven't been here, I encourage you to come up here and visit Julian. For me, it's about, it's like 60 miles outside of San Diego. Right across the street, that is the famous Julian Hotel. I think it's better known as the Gold Rush Hotel. Oldest one here. Very hard to get reservations over there. They get booked up really quick. Just up here you got Romano's. I didn't eat there though. Got the Wolf Center. Went in there yesterday. Julian Cider Mill. Now if you love apple pie like I do, this is the place to go. There's every type of imaginable apple pie you can find up here. This is kind of a look from the east. Just little sporadic traffic around, not much. There is the Julian Cafe. I ate dinner in there the other night. Built in 1872. Well, it was restored in 1978, but great place to eat if you come up here. They got a couple of groceries too. You got Jack's here. That's everything you need. It's also a historic landmark known as the DeLuca store. All right, we're gonna see some early morning pie. Okay, look at this right here. They are making them right now. Let's watch this action. Look at that, wow. See how she puts them together? And this is Mom's Julian. I was here yesterday. You can see the process, what she does right here. Look at all those apples. Wow. Let's go in here. So you can see some early morning pie works. You know, get this. Right here at the corner is the Julian Town Hall. Now, one thing you never see around anymore, and that is a payphone. I don't even know if it gets used. Maybe they just leave it there for historic sake, maybe. They are getting historic nowadays. So this is the main intersection here, Washington. And one thing about Julian, there is no traffic lights. Right across the street is the Miners Diner. We'll walk up on that side too. Now, I mentioned this yesterday on my previous video, a little bit of the history of Julian, so you know. It was actually discovered in the 1870s by a guy named Drury Bailey. And Drury Bailey discovered gold in the quartz rock. And you actually learn about that if you do that gold mine tour. You'll learn a lot about that. Highly recommended. Well, that produced a major gold rush. But where did the name Julian come from? Well, actually it was Bailey's cousin, Mike Julian, who formed the mining district and was elected as the first recorder. And since then it's become, you know, the town of Julian. But, you know, the gold rush ended in the early 1900s. So it eventually became nothing but agricultural and farming, and best known for apples. So a little bit of history about this beautiful town, historic town. See, right across the street you have the Long Branch restaurant. It's, you know, so quite a number of restaurants. Okay, I came across the street. Over there is the Julian Market, and it's also one of the first general stores here. Here's the Miners Diner. That is a unique little restaurant. Has that like 1950s style to it, you know. Just kind of look. It's not open yet, obviously, but just gives you an idea what it looks like. Very new. You don't see stuff like this anymore. The Julian Garage. Maybe it used to be a car repair place at one time. The Daily Building. More pie places. Certainly a lot of them around here. Okay, this was like from right across the street from the other side. Morning, sir. That's right, I just looked at. There's Mom's, Jack's Grocery, another historic landmark again. Here's the outside of the Julian Cafe. Here's the complete menu selection. So this is over here on 4th Street. Morning. And this, the Julian Jail, 1914. It was run by the city here, and let's see, ASCII, you know, just a simple little jail, and it actually ended in 1952. Here's a look inside. There's only 2 cells in here. Little commode. Okay, gonna end my little early morning walk back here at my lodge. All right where I started. So, thank you very much for joining me on a little early morning walk here in beautiful, historic Julian, California. And I hope you have an amazing day. And I will see you later. So we're gonna stop by here, a place called Dudley's here in Santa Isabel, and this is one of the best bakeries here in the Julian area. So we're gonna go in there and check it out and see what they have. So follow me along and let's get some pie.
And then he goes, "What time is it?" Time for your bill, right?
Let's go inside here.
Have a snack?
See, they have other stuff in here. Here's some of the pastries you can get right here. Kind of go down the line here. Look at the assortment of things here. Of course, they have some really good breads here. My favorite is the raisin bread. Cinnamon raisin, absolutely awesomeness, which is right here. What we're going to do is check out. Oh, here's some other stuff right here. This is the strudel. And this right here. We've got some sale stuff down here. Right there. Vanilla cake. And then you come around and you have cherry crumb, traditional apple.
Not Julian, Dudley's Bakery.
$20 for one of those, right? Without one.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice.
Apple mixed berry, apple caramel walnut.
This is the,
cherry
apple caramel walnut.
Which one?
Dutch apple. What else they have here in Dudley's? Let's see. Kind of an overview of everything that is in here. You can sit here and enjoy a cup of coffee. They have it's like a little souvenir place almost. Here's the fireplace right here. It does get a little bit cool down here in the wintertime. So, if you've been to Dudley's, let me know in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. Alright, sale item right here. We got the Dudley's Apple Caramel Walnut. This is pretty good. Have you had that one?
The pie?
Yeah.
I have not, but our pies are pretty good.
I figured everybody at Dudley's would have tried everything.
Honestly,
I would have.
it's just,
I
it
wasn't-
gets to be so
Okay.
All right, would you like a bag for that?
Yes, please. So I picked up my good sweets there. Look at this bicycle. That is an old bike for sure, right? You don't see anything like that anymore. Almost looks like they're making it into a stationary bike. All right, last look here at Dudley's menu. This is what they have. See right there, breakfast, lunch, all places. All right. Stopping by for some beautiful countryside views here, just outside of Julian.